Hi, kindergarten. So we're going to work on a math lesson today, and one of your math lessons that I have you practicing this week is to work on making sets of 18. So today I'm going to show you how to make a set of 18 on the whiteboard, and we're going to use counters to show 18 and put it into 10 frames. All right, so to make 18, we know that 18 is larger than 10. So we're going to start with a full 10 frame. And in order to make a full 10 frame, we're going to start with 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need 5 on the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have my 10 counters. Now I can make it a frame. So if I draw a line straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down, straight across, straight across, straight across, I have my 10 frame. Okay, now we don't even need to count that because we know that when there are counters in every box in the 10 frame, that it's 10. So that's 10, but we need 18. So we need 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 10, and then we have 8 more. And we can make a 10 frame for the 8 too. We do the same thing. Draw a line across, lines through. Now we have two 10 frames, and we can see we have 10 and 8, and there's 1, 2 empty boxes. So 2 empty boxes, when there's two 10 frames, means they're 18. Make 18, straight line 1 is fun, and then for our number 8, make an S and go back home. We have 18 counters. So that is our set of 18. I want to see you making sets of 18 at home. You can do it like I did up on a whiteboard. You can take things from around your house. Like I know my son has tons of Legos. You can show me 18 Legos. He has army men. You can show me 18 army men. Whatever you have 18 of. Show me a set of 18. All right, I'll see you next time.